If you have ever been a fan of Escape to the Country or A Place in the Sun, then you would know who Jonnie Irwin is. Like myself, somebody who loves daytime television, I'm a big fan of Jonnie Irwin, and there's some very sad news came through in the last couple of days ago. Jonnie Irwin died from terminal cancer. He was diagnosed quite a while back, and somehow he defied the odds, because initially he was only given 6 months to live. Yet almost 2 years in, unfortunately, Jonnie Irwin passed away. We now know that Jonnie was diagnosed with lung cancer. Now, as with most cancers, many of the symptoms do not manifest themselves in the early stages of the disease. However, over time the condition worsens and the symptoms become quite clear. In the case of lung cancer and its various stages, what you have to really look out for is a persistent cough, so that is a cough that's not going away, coughing up blood, and persistent breathlessness, and of course with many cancers, unexplained tiredness and weight loss. Apart from this, aches and pains when breathing or coughing. That is something, if it's noticeable, then you need to get it checked out. Now, lung cancer affects around about 2.1 million people, and every year it leads to around 1.8 million deaths. In fact, lung cancer is the most common cause of cancer deaths around the entire world. The NHS really seems to be doing their bit in terms of lung diagnostics, particularly at the community level, or what we refer to here in the UK as primary care, and there is a good possibility that you may be eligible and therefore you may be invited for a lung health check. What is the criteria? Well, if you live in an area where lung health checks are currently offered, then you may receive an invite, and these could be areas in the UK where there is a history of major industry. Therefore this could be more of a risk to those people who worked in the industry, and one particular example that comes to mind is the area of Greater Manchester, such as Salford. If you are between the age of 55 and 74, if you are registered with a GP surgery and you're a current or former smoker, then you could be offered these tests and these checks, and it's essential that you turn up to them. Now, I will leave a description, I will leave a comment in the description for you to have a look at, a link to Cancer Research UK as well as the NHS, where you could find out more information, and if you have any of these symptoms, then do get them checked. In the end, all I would say is rest in peace, Jonnie Irwin. You were very much well loved and you will be remembered.